It's time to document some artifacts on Indian Trace. What you're looking at is Crosslands. By far one of my favorite sites. I had to believe, and you gotta always believe. Now, I'm keeping an eye out for things like this. This is a piece of rhyolite, and it's the top of an edge, I'm pretty sure. Take a look at this. Tight as can be, too. That right there is 1 inch, and it's tight. So we're going to check that in a minute. See how washed out it is? Old tobacco, plowed under, tilled. So looking for pieces like that, and we see material a lot of places, but look at the stuff that I found. Now, if at first you come out to a site and you don't succeed, you got to try again. I mean, can you believe it? And I've mentioned many sites like this I've been to 4 or 5 times, but come on, if a total of 4+ inches comes down on the ground, that's a lot of weight, a lot of water to move around, and this little teeny bit of dirt, it's moving. Microscopically, the dirt is always moving. And I know that Flintsball has mentioned this to me, and it's just so true. I'm pretty much new to collecting, for say, so I'm still getting the reality of these things, but look at these materials. This is a scraper right here. It's worked right off on the bottom edge here. Broken stuff. Good materials, and look at these 2 broken pieces right here. Quartz base, nice notch point. Those will go in my Heartbreakers display. I like that notch point. Hopefully the focus coming out. Anyway, the dirt is always moving. I mean, I got a deer print here that is deep and watered in. Now I returned to my footprints, which are thousands, are pretty much melted away, and they were so deep I was sinking in the mud. So water has done a lot here. You just got to have faith in it. Let's take a look at this. I just moved it. That's really tight. So let me see if I can get my focus here. See what this is. Beautiful. Rhyolite. Guilford. I've been waiting to have a Guilford again. My gracious. Do I got to focus on it? Just as it comes out of the ground. Thousands of years. Hadn't been touched. Hasn't been seen. Neither handled. Give you a view of it just from cleaning up. It's a nice private place. One time in hundreds of times have I ever seen a fella coming across here sort of looking for artifacts, and he was nice. You know, you like to say he was nice. Let me clean this up for a second. Give you a panoramic to see. Show you this point. I think it's pretty outstanding. Anyway, thanks everybody for tuning in, and nice point. Look at this. And checking out this Indian Trace. This is a nice piece. Thanks always for tuning in to Indian Trace. I mean, you just can't say too much more than that.